Hello and welcome to KC Keto Life. I'm Crystal. Today I am going to blow your mind. We are going to make mayonnaise. That's right, mayonnaise, and it's super simple. It's only going to take us about 30 seconds. I highly recommend making your own mayonnaise because even though almost all mayonnaise on the market is keto friendly, there's some hidden ingredients in there you might not like. So just always look at your ingredients, but I recommend going ahead and making your own. So start off with an oil. I am using extra light olive oil. You can use regular olive oil, avocado oil is really good. You're just gonna have to test them out to see what flavor you like best. So you're gonna do a cup, and I know this is about a cup because this is a 16-ounce container and I've already made this once. So get a mason jar, and you want a mason jar that is, you're gonna use your immersion blender. This is quite a tight fit, but that's what you want. You want it just enough room for your immersion blender to move around, but you don't want a lot of room. That's what makes the magic happen. So go ahead and pour in all your oil. Like I said, it's about a cup, well, it's a cup. And then the only other ingredient is an egg. You want your egg room temperature, very important. Now, these are the only two ingredients I add because I use this mayonnaise as a base to a bunch of other sauces that I make. I don't usually just use mayonnaise. Now, if you do love mayonnaise, add maybe a little bit of salt and some lemon juice in here and it's perfect. So here we go. Go ahead and put your emulsion blender in. Put it all the way to the bottom and just watch the magic happen. It is done, you guys. Look how thick that is. That simple. So there is no excuse to go buy store-bought mayonnaise, and this tastes so much better and fresh. So guys, give it a try. I'm going to next make some ranch dressing, so make sure to check out that video using this as the base. Thanks everyone. Please make sure to follow us on KC Keto Life on Facebook and Instagram as well. Have a great day.